In the original plumbing setup, the pipe coming out of the wall is an unthreaded pipe. This is the drain pipe that's here in the wall leading to the sewer. And this pipe is unthreaded. It was a metal pipe, no threads on it, smooth. And the original elbow had become corroded. And so to go ahead and hook this replacement up to it would have been difficult, if not impossible. This replacement piece is plastic, and it too was unthreaded. So the problem there is, how do you join the plastic elbow to the original pipe that's in the wall? Well, without any kind of welding or soldering or cutting threads in the existing pipe, the fastest way of doing it was to use this flexible plastic coupler. This coupler just slips on the original wastewater pipe, and it just slips on the elbow. But once you go ahead and tighten it down, the coupler stays in place, and it prevents wastewater from leaking out over here and over here. In most places, this type of repair is actually up to code. It's a little unconventional, but it does work. This is a possible solution if you have an older drain pipe and a newer elbow where you cannot fit them together.